mechanisms here. This is the do-it-yourself Peckerhead wood gas stove. I'm going to show you how to build it, where to buy the parts at the end. This is going to be a very short video because this is so easy to show anyone how to build. This is my favorite do-it-yourself wood gas stove build so far. It's 100% all stainless steel, so it's going to last a long time. Of course, if you decide to build this, always use it in a well-ventilated area. Carbon monoxide will kill you. All you need is a drill, a good drill bit, and a few parts. I'll show you the parts to buy at the end of this video. Just pause the video at the end when I display the list and where to buy. This stove works great. Like I said before, it's called the Peckerhead wood gas stove. It's small, lightweight, and portable. It'll burn 1 up to 3 cups of wood pellets at approximately 25 minutes per cup of wood pellets. And of course, it's with the wood pellets I use. It's kind of a mixture of hard and soft wood. Different pellets will burn at different rates. I'll do a demonstration videos after this video, but I just wanted to do this real quick, short video. You can also burn like sticks, dead grass leaves, and other biomass materials. So this stove is excellent for an emergency situation, or if you're just camping, you can. Okay, now I'll show you how to do this Peckerhead. As you can see, you only need 2 stainless steel utensil holders. I got them off Amazon. Like I said, I'll show you at the end of the video exactly which ones they are. And you need 3 stainless steel screws down here and 3 stainless steel wing nuts. That's it. The only thing you're going to need to do is drill the holes and you're done. You could go to another YouTube video to see how to drill through stainless steel. If you have the right bit, it goes through like butter. This stainless steel isn't that thick, so you can drill through it. What I found works best is, this is a step bit. It's called a step bit, and it holds up really well. Drills a lot of holes. They're kind of expensive, but titanium coated drill bits, cold bolt drill bits work good too. Like I said, go to a YouTube video on how to drill stainless steel. What you have here, it's an inside chamber, your outside chamber. The holes you can experiment a little bit with. I drilled my holes, a bunch of holes in the bottom. They're all 1/8 inch. There's about 40 holes in the bottom. Some people drill them along the bottom here, maybe 1/4 inch holes along the bottom with no holes here. Like I said, you can experiment a little bit, but I found this works pretty good. It burns the coals up down to nothing. I drilled some holes in the center. The center holes are approximately 7/32 to 1/4 inch. They're 1 inch apart, and there's about 12 holes. They're approximately in the center. The top holes, your secondary holes, are the same. 1 inch apart, 7/36 to 1/4 inch hole. There's about 12 holes. So you have 40 in the bottom, 12 in the center. The reason I put mine in the center is because when you put 1 cup in, the gasification will, if the wind's blowing, sometimes it'll blow the top holes out, so the bottom holes keep gasifying. That's it for the center inside chamber. The outside chamber, these are your primary holes. They're 1 inch apart. Again, there's 12 holes, so this is easy to remember. These holes are 7/16. You can go 7/16 to a 1/2 inch. They don't have to be perfect size. As you can see, this outside chamber has a rim. There's 3 holes in this rim. One, two, three. These holes are 9/64. It depends what size screw you get. For the screws I have and bought for this, 9/64. You can go 1/8 inch to 9/64. Just buy some smaller screws. But there is the outside chamber. Very easy. This inside chamber also has a rim around the top. And as you can see, it fits perfectly inside the outside chamber. And it leaves an airspace for the primary air to come in through the bottom. You're going to need 3 machine screws. These machine screws are 6/32 by 1 inch long. And you're going to need the wing nuts to fit. 6/32 inch wing nuts. They're stainless steel. The wing nuts are probably 50 cents, and then the machine screws are 15 cents a piece. That's it. That's all you need, folks. It's simple, easy. Anyone can do it. The total cost, it was $27 for the 2 utensil holders off of Amazon. And that's with $7 shipping. If you have the Prime Amazon, then of course you don't have to pay shipping, so it's a little cheaper. I'm going to put this together now. Because all you do to put it together is it's very simple. Run your screws up through the 3 holes in the outside chamber rim and put your wing nuts on. Very easy. I'll do that now. I'll put it all together. It's all together with the 3. Space these when you drill the holes evenly apart. But as you can see, it snugs that top, it pinches down and snugs it tight to the other pot. Took me a while to find the right size pots. I had to order a few times off Amazon to get the exact fits. I used the word peckerhead a few times before I got the right sizes to match up. It's kind of how I got the name. This stove weighs only 12 ounces, so it's very lightweight. The top Diameter is 5 inches and it's only approximately 6 inches tall. So it's small, easy to build. Great for camping. Here's just a Boy Scout camp set. So you can see the pan fits on there real nice. Nice and sturdy. Okay, here's the parts. Just pause your video or I'll read it right now. The outside chamber is an Adcraft BMP-1 1 1/4 capacity, 4 1/8 inch diameter by 5 5/8 inch depth. Mirror finish, stainless steel, Bain Marie. The inside chamber is a Brownie Food Service 80113 number, stainless steel solid cutlery cylinder, 4 inch, all by Amazon. There's your inside and outside chamber. Just go to the hardware store for the machine screws. They're stainless steel. And they are 6-32 by 1 inch long. The wing nuts are 6x32 wing nuts, stainless steel. I'll do a couple separate demonstration videos. Just search Peckerhead wood gas stove. Thanks for watching, everyone.